ang ganda rin ng Hoover Dam.
Welcome to Hoover Dam. Do you know where we're heading then?
Yeah.
Ito yung bridge scenic view.
Sa visitor center ko nilagay.
Yeah. Doon muna tayo.
Baba natin.
Nandiyan na sila.
Ano to? Energy ano? Nagkigather ba ng energy yun? Diyan nilalagay, sinistore.
Okay, we're gonna find out what the dam is for, okay? Let's look at the visitor center. Oh, there it is.
Saan? Hindi ko pa nakita. Oh, there. Parang late. Ang laki. That's huge!
I know that.
That's scary! I don't wanna go there anymore.
Yeah, me too.
It's alright.
So nice.
Inaano natin yan twice.
That's where we passed through a while ago, Clara. Remember I told you we're on the bottom of the bridge?
It is.
It was that high. Wow. That's so nice. We're not going up there. Don't worry,
We
guys.
were already there.
We were there on the top a while ago, but we're not going up and
We're not going there.
yeah, we're not gonna walk on it.
Driving there?
Yeah, we were there. I told you, right? We're on the bridge.
We were?
Yes. We're at Arizona.
Mommy, can we just go on the elevator?
Yeah.
Pala
so
kakaliwa nga
Is there
sa
a car
parking. Okay,
elevator?
nakita natin ang ano.
Is there a car elevator?
Car
We need to go
elevator.
around and park.
Where is it?
Mas maganda mag-park dun sa likod eh. Ang dami rin bata oh.
Yeah. Ganda na, tas yun yung view mo. Yung bridge. Look at that. This is Arizona time. So we're in the middle of the border between Arizona and we're from Arizona and now we're at Nevada.
1930 na siya ginawa. 4 years siyang ginawa.
Nevada side.
Sa 1930.
Oh yeah.
The time is different at Nevada.
Really? It's the same.
But
Hoover Dam.
Grabe talaga tong bridge na to. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Na nandyan tayo kanina. Sobrang taas pala niyan.
I think I knew we were on this.
That's crazy.
We went
It is.
down.
Oh. Ganda,
I
no?
think I knew we were on that bridge because
Ay, nakuha
we
ko
went
sila.
down.
Parang kakasal silang dalawa.
Sino? Calvin, tell the vlog where are we? Where are we? We're at Hoover Dam. Very good. Let's show them. Look at that. Wow.
Too high. It's too high.
I know, it's so high.
Don't drop it. It's gonna fall into the
Don't drop it. You're right.
Be careful. You might hit.
You're gonna go to the other side, okay? Babe, gaano kaya kataas tong water na to, no? Siguro grabe yung push ng waterfall niyan pag na ano yun, nasira yan.
Too high.
Phone mo, Dad, ah. Wala nang
Oo.
balikan.
Be careful. It's might break the phone.
It's a half-hour tour.
Go.
I don't think you're gonna make the 1 hour tour because it's sold out probably by now.
Is that the one that goes all the way down?
That's yeah. No, they walk all the way down, but the 1 hour tour
Not
goes all the way down to the power plant, the generators, and then you walk inside this dam.
Oh, so
Oh,
for
look,
$15
it's
when you don't walk
flat.
inside the
No,
dam?
you just go to the power plant down there. And the next tour times is 3:15, 3:25, and 3:45.
I said it was what cost me $500.
You hold on to daddy, don't go there.
Be careful. Flash.
Oo, tsaka ang ganda ng araw. Ganda ng araw, ganda lahat. Bro, okay ka muna. Gusto mo sa labas muna, babe? O ikot na dito? Dito na? Ah, okay. Dito daw.
To create opportunity to invent, destroy, cross, area.
Tingnan mo yun.
Americans and Spanish explorers occupied the southwest long before westward expansion, but settlers to the region, these early inhabitants lived with the Colorado River cycle. So,
At the mercy of the river, flood, drought, and lives in the valley.
Okay, exploring the river, they explored the river.
Where are they?
So how was it built? Look.
Clara, look. How was it built? Can you read? How was the Hoover Dam built?
Men machines of in the narrow
Ang galing, no? Walang siya dati. Wala po. 4 years nilang ginawa.
Ayun o. The Colorado River had to be rerouted.
Ah.
Ang floods
Ay, gano'n.
Kasi yung di ba nag-slow ng
Kasi
sobrang lakas.
hindi makontrol yung water eh. No?
Tapos nag-rise yung temperature yung steps mo.
Hmm.
No, it's not real.
Water
I just
lahat.
made it like that, so it will be.
Kasi yung downtown so big yun.
Oo. Pinag-usapan nila no kung saan ano, kung saan i-hold, saan gagawin yung dam.
So, ano nangyari? Nasaan tayo? Ayun.
Prince concrete sample. This concrete sample was part of the first concrete pour at the dam. And which occurred on June 6, 19.
Unti-unti eh. No? Galing. Pictures lang yan.
That's it.
Pictures yan no na
That's
inano.
how they built the dam. Galing.
Ah, ito pala yung ano eh.
That's how they built the dam.
Look at it.
You watch the TV. See how it's going up?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what it's?
Yeah, that's what it looked like before it was built.
It's amazing. Ito yung parang mga ano, crane.
Dam rises, working 24 hours per day, 360 days per year. Construction was completed more than 2 years ago.
It's crazy.
Rising from the river. That's what it looks like.
How does it work? You read. How does it work? Generating electricity combines
Science,
serenity,
knowledge, creative,
creativity.
with nature's power and majesty. There's a lot of things to read here.
I know. See, what's the height of the finished dam? What's the height? What's the height? Read the height. 700. 26.
Feet.
44 feet.
Thickness at top, 45
45
feet.
feet.
Thickness at
base.
base, 660 feet. Concrete used, 3.25 million cubic yards.
Okay.
Wait, 6.6 million tons.
See, that's how they compared it. The Hoover Dam weighs over
6.6 million tons.
as much as
18
Wow.
Empire State Building.
So it's like 18 Empire State Buildings. That's how water enters intake towers from Lake. 430 diameter pipes carry water from the intake towers to the generators. And then water is forced through narrower, then stops increasing its capacity and thus its capacity to turn the turbine.
Galing eh, no?
Turbines power
Para
the
maging
17
energy,
power
no?
plant generators to create electricity.
Magnet, oh.
So
Ang
you
gamit, oh.
What do we do here? Mommy, what do we do here? Do we?
You try it. Yeah. Here. So electrons and conductors, you spin this around. See that? It creates energy. They read.
Daddy.
Magnetism. See?
Ayan yun, nakukuha niyang ano.
Yeah. You read it, Sarah. Generating electricity isn't magic. It's near the coils producing electricity.
Ito babe it explains here. Oh.
Wait, are we doing the power plant?
One watt. Zero, number of 100-watt light bulbs power.
Hi Zia.
One Hoover generator can produce 130 megawatts.
Maliit lang yung museum, no?
Instantaneously.
Very informative. Ang daming ano.
130 megawatts. Where's the megawatts? Here.
Getting power to where it's needed. Dami pala, pati LA pala kasali. Galing ilang state din.
The dam was built in blocks containing pipes, and ice-cold water was pumped through for rapid cooling.
Daddy, but not to
The
bad,
diversion
bad,
tunnels were
bad.
closed off in 1935. Lake Mead began to flow, eventually extending 110 miles up the Colorado River. The two outer tunnels and the canyon walls became massive spillways. They can move excess water around the dam to protect
Hi,
the
Daddy.
Water flows from the intake towers through large pipes to the hydroelectric generators. The moving water turns the generators' turbines. This creates clean electrical energy. Hydroelectric power and the regular flow of water fueled the growth of California and the Southwest. Flowing downstream, the Colorado River irrigates over 1 million acres of farmland.
Wow. Grabe yung benefit
Hoover
niya.
Dam was dedicated in 1935. Visitors from around the world continue to be drawn to its Art Deco style, immense presence, and to the recreation and beauty of Lake Mead.
Wow.
Farms and Native American communities. Reclamation's largest project was a huge dam on the lower Colorado River.
So they use water to generate electricity.
Babe, alam mo kung ilang state yung na ano ng dam dito? Halos ang dami rin pala.
2 gigawatts of electricity na eh.
Oh,
Instantaneously.
ilang state yan, oh? California, Nevada, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 states.
That's how many states there are
Ang dami.
at those states. That
So parang technically worth it nga. Di pa din?
so
Ito yung ano, yung story, oh. Ang ganda, oh.
Railroad and power transmission lines. They built special machinery in the plant to produce the huge amounts of concrete needed for the Chalk Yards Dam.
Oh, kasi alam na nila ngayon kung paano gumawa ng mas maganda. mas maayos.
Sige naman, pareho
May mali sila na pag-aralan nila.
Baka sino makakaisip niyan? Kala ko kanina sa ano yan, for ano yun, electricity yung pala, yung mga ginamit ng crane.
Ah, iniwan lang dyan?
Iniwan
Ah,
lang.
nandun lang kanina? Iba yung overlook sa taas, sa taas. Siguro okay din. Silipin natin. Pero ito, at least yung mga bata, pwedeng umawak-awak, pwedeng... Makikita nila ng mabuti. Makikita ng mga bata ng mabuti lahat dito.
Wow. Babes, Kayla.
Safe dito.
Kayla, look oh. Oo, this is safe. Kesa dun sa ano kanina, nakakalula nung nandun tayo sa ano. Marami sigurong iPhone dyan sa baba. It's too high. What is that?
Drops down there.
What's it called, Calvin? It's the... What's it called again? It's the
It's there.
Hoover.
Hoover down.
Very good.
Grabe. Tignan mo naman si Clara. Ngayon niya lang, tignan mo si Clara. Ngayon niya lang sinuot yung sapatos niya, first day. Tignan mo
Ano,
gano'n
dumi na.
nakadumi. Grabe itong bata mo. Parang kailangan every week bilang ng sapatos. Si Clara. First day niya yan sinuot.
Ayun ba yung mga crane? Asan yung mga crane, tol?
Inalis na yata nila.
Ah, wala na dun sa
Pero
kanina.
dito nilagay yung mga crane nun.
Oo, pinatap-patap lang.
Siguro, yun yan din yung mga ano before. Pinakatawa ng crane.
Taas. Grabe. Ano, okay tayo dito sa overlook? Silipin natin yung overlook. May overlook pa, babe, sa taas.
I've always seen
Bilig siyang yumakap sa mga tao. Wow.
it's gonna open
Sinasabi
up
ko
from
nga,
there.
ano,
I know it's
keep
gonna
your hands
open
to
up
yourself.
from
Bilig siyang
there.
magaling sa mga... Hindi siya gumanon. Eh, di mo ba ayaw nagpapatouch dito?
Did you take a look? Hindi ata nakita nito. Nagaling ko kaya siya sa ano?
Siya eh. Gusto niya maglakad eh.
Nagaling ko siya sa stroller mamaya. Oo, oh, ko. Ito pala may salamin din eh. May salamin din pala dito, Shell. Dito ko na lang si Kayla papapuntahin. May sapatos naman siya dito, di ba? Hindi, dun sa salamin. Hindi ba pa... Papakita ko lang.
Mapipiga ako na yung mga kamay nila.
Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. Wala akong masabi.
These are cantilever towers designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon.
Ang galing nung tower, nakatagilid.
Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 pools. This is the bow house. There are 2.
Ah, wait.
Each building contains 2 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
Ano meron din sa taas? Yung mga tao din kanina eh. Ayun, meron pa.
You'll see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world.
Oh, you hold Zia na lang. Put her in the
Capacity
middle. Babe, si Kayla, huwag mo lagi dyan.
Hindi yun na nandyan lang yun. Chill lang siya, oo. Ah, nakatabi mo yung Hoover Dam.
Looking at these
Isipin natin yung mga tao dito sa kabila.
at the tenacity and skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings
Teka.
of the whole canyon project.
The vlogger.
These brave characters called the Ice
Kayla, look, look, look. Look. Look, Kayla. Look down there. Daddy. Whoa. Look down, look down, look down, Kayla. Whoa. Hindi niya nakikita pa. Daddy.
Umiyak mo kasi. It's so high. There's a bridge. Look at the bridge there.
Why are you laughing?
Because Kayla looks funny.
Ganda. Babalikan ko to pag nag-video.
Pakita mo sa mga
I
tao.
want to be higher.
Ito yung pinakamagandang view, yung sa observation deck. Babe, kita mo yung water na mataas from here. Shell. Kita mo yung water sa kabila, oh, from here. Mas ma-appreciate mo siya. Gawin din natin yung tour next time, babe. Pag walang pag wala na tayong batang Okay, pag malalaki na sila. Hmm? What? What do you want? Tapang ni Zia, oh.
Area in the surrounding desert. Because the lake shows a canyon rather than a bowl or basin, it is far deeper than
Asan may shoes nito? Ah, tara. Thank you. Where are we going now?
to the hotel.
Yay! Hotel! Ibang-iba siya sa camera.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo hindi masyado makapture pero ang ganda pa din. And you have pink sky. Orange,
Clouds.
blue, and pink clouds. No. Ayan, no? Ganda.
Pinafocus niya yung may isang bagay siyang pinafocus. So kailangan mo siyang i-refocus.
hindi yun yung nafo-focus
Oo,
niya.
yung hindi mo gusto. Hindi ko mahanap yung mga ilaw eh. Wala, todo lang ilaw. Ganda. It's nice. It's a nice. May walk-in closet pa, bro. May walk-in closet pa.
Maganda. Ano to? Desert ano to? Desert, di ba?
Feeling ko, bro, magmamahal na to by next year. May washing machine pa nga.
There's 2 bathrooms. There's 2 bathrooms. There's the bedroom.
Like it here?
Yes.
Ang duwag. May ilaw din to. Meron din.
Oh, look.
May patio pa.